The Bengkalan Kubur by-election will see a three-cornered fight involving Barisan Nasional BN, PAS and an independent. BN will be represented by former District Education Officer Mat Razi Mat Ail, while PAS is fielding Wan Rosdi Wan Ibrahim. Izzat Bukhari Ismail Bukhari joined the fight as an independent. Syawal Ahmad, who's now in Tumbat, Kelantan, has the details.
48-year-old Mat Razi, clad in red baju Melayu, was accompanied to the nomination centre at 8:40 a.m. by BN supporters led by Deputy Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin. While PAS Wan Rosdi arrived at the centre and accompanied by the party's Vice President Muhammad Sabu, Kelantan Menteri Besar Ahmad Yaakob and other PR leaders. According to Pekalan Kubur Returning Officer Muhammad Sobri Ramli, Wan Rosdi submitted his nomination paper first at 9:05 a.m, followed by Mat Razi at 9:06 a.m. and Izzat Bukhari at 9:17 a.m. The nomination centre was closed at 10 a.m. Thousands of supporters of the contesting parties gathered outside the nomination centre since 8:30 a.m. and dispersed together with their candidates after the nomination process was completed. No untoward incidents was reported as the crowds adhered to the instructions from the authorities. Also present to show their moral support were three UMNO Vice Presidents, Datuk Sri Dr. Ahmad Zahid Amidi, Datuk Sri Shamsuddin Hussein and Datuk Sri Muhammad Shafi Abdal and MCA President Datuk Sri Liao Tiong Lai.
Pesanan kita kepada orang ramai, perkhidmatan arwah Nur Zaidi ini akan diteruskan dan saya sendiri sebagai menteri dan juga kawan rapat kepada Allahyarham akan juga memberi jaminan kepada orang ramai di sini bahawa kita takkan sia-siakan apa yang arwah telah korban selama ini.
Dia akan menjadi salah seorang problem solver yang boleh mengatasi masalah-masalah para pengundi di kawasan Bengkalan Kubur berdasarkan dengan pengalaman beliau di Tokoh Tambah. Dia sebagai seorang yang berpegang berpaut dengan agama dan agak mesra rakyat.
Barisan Nasional untuk Tumpat ini bekerja kuat. Senario adalah berpihak kepada Barisan Nasional. Tapi kita khawatir kerana di saat-saat akhir pihak lawan tentu akan mengubah strategi dan taktik.
Meanwhile, PAS Wan Rosdi's candidacy received the blessings of the party's spiritual leader, Datuk Ni Aziz Nikmat.
Harapan menang Jalur Empat lah.
The by-election is being held following the death of Pekalan Kubur Assemblyman Datuk Nur Zahidi Omar, 57, from liver cancer on August 20th. In the last general election, the late Datuk Nur Zahidi won the seat by defeating PKR candidate Shahrun Ibrahim and Izzat Bukhari with a 1,736 vote majority. Bengkalan Kubur is only about 29 kilometers square in size. There are 24,039 registered voters here. 109 of them will be casting their votes early on September 21st, while 23,929 of them will be doing so on September 25th. Campaign period for Bengkalan Kubur officially begins today. Syawal Ahmad, 7 Edition.